Alright, I'm about to show you how I can pass your TopStep funded accounts, or any funded accounts, to be honest. I just picked this one up today. I kind of want to move away from options. I'm low-key down red on the year with options. I think I'm down around $7,000. So, I'll try to build that back up. Hopefully break even next 2 months. But yeah, now I'm red on options. So kind of want to steer away from that and focus on futures, which kind of seems a little bit easier in a sense, just because it doesn't have delta. Um, so here's what you can do to pass it. You can mark out the first 30-minute candle, so you won't trade up until after 10. So you would mark out the high and the low, and then you go to the 5 minute. Okay. So after this, what you want, or you could enter. My fault. I'm a little bit stuttery. My fault. But you could enter on the 1 minute. That's also, you could do that. But your take profit's gonna be a little not too good. 2 minute. All right. So if you get on the 5 minute, this is where you want to find your entries. So as you can see right here, after 10, we came back up to the high of the 30-minute candle, and you can see we just moved sideways. Boom, 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 boom. So you could sort of assume that we were gonna go down, and as well as if you use MACD, you can see the histogram is shrinking, which means buyers they don't really have as much control anymore. So you could have got in here at this level, or what you could have done instead is wait until it comes under this red line from the alligator indicator, which is just alligator. You can add it right here, and then you would take it from here all the way to the low and see if we can break out, retrace, and then keep going down. But as you can see, you would have had a better luck taking profit right at the bottom of the 30-minute here. Every day is going to be different. It's not always going to be the same. Here, you can see it goes above, it closes above the red line on the 5 minute. And we head up here. And then you could have taken profit at blue line, because the blue line is more of the, what can I say? It's like the slower of them all, which means it carries more weight. So you can see it sort of just goes back down, and then you could wait if it closes a candle underneath, retraces, and then it keeps going down. But in this case, it was terrible. It wasn't terrible. You just would have got stopped out. Like any other trade, just an edge. You would have a good edge. Yeah, oh my god, look at that candle. But as you can see here, we broke through it. We started going up, and you would take profit. Another place where we take profit is here, or when it touches the green line. It's all up to you. Here, crosses down, retraces, continues down, breaks down, goes, retraces, all of that. So 30-minute, it's literally just been in there all day for today. And then we got this huge move. The 1 minute is also good for these moves. Like you would have gotten right here, and then it shot up, and then it would have been crazy. But as you can see here, it's crossing the red line. So it could probably, the blue line right here is probably gonna support it, as well as the 30-minute. So, but yeah, that's the 30-minute ORB. I forgot to mention that. So basically, if it, like I've been saying, if it breaks out, retraces, it has a good chance of it still continuing. But today, not today. Today's a little different, whole different breed. And then if you go back, if I show you on here on trading view, you can just see it a little bit better. There's an indicator for ORB right here. That's the one I have. And on this one, it's a 30-minute ORB as well. And you can just see how it looks like on here. The alligator does look a little, it's actually the same. Never mind, I'm tripping. But yeah, I also use MACD as well. Histogram shrinking most likely means that we're retracing. So take that into consideration. But that's a good strategy you can use to pass your evals if it breaks out. Or just the alligator. You can just use the alligators. The ORBs are just levels where you can find support or resistance.